Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about developing a small Hello World application in C#.NET. First of all, what is Microsoft.NET? It's a platform with which you can develop high performance applications using any language of your choice like C#, F#, VB.NET, J#. And what kind of applications can you develop? You can develop any kind of applications that you want. It can be for desktop, it can be for web server, websites, mobile-based gaming applications, IoT applications, or even artificial intelligence applications. So let's talk about how to get started. First of all, what do you need? You need to have a laptop where you can have Microsoft.NET Platform. On most Windows machine, it's already installed for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Next, you need is Visual Studio. This also comes free of cost. You just need to download the Community Edition, and that's all you need. Since I have done both the work, I have a Microsoft Windows machine, and I have already installed Visual Studio. I don't need to do all that. I have launched my Visual Studio, and I'm going to do a file, new project. Now, if you notice, there are many kind of projects you can develop. You can develop for cloud, you can develop in different languages, you can develop database, you can develop Azure, you can develop pure JavaScript, Android. I'm going to select today just a simple .NET Core console application. So I want to make sure I'm giving the right path so I can find my project later. That's the location where I want my project to be, and I'm going to develop a console hello application. As you can see in my solution explorer on the right, sometimes it may be hidden for you. All you have to do is go to solution explorer. I'm going to dock it. It's showing me the file structure involved, and there's a solution, that's a project, and that's the code file called program.cs. The first line, they have already given us some dummy code, so I can just use it. So hello world by Vineet Gupta. If I execute this program just like that, friends, it'll execute so fast we can't even read it. So I want the program execution to stop for a keyboard input. So by putting console.read, now what we are telling computer to do is wait for us until we click a button on the keyboard. It should not stop. It should wait for a keyboard input before it stops the execution. So now we can run it. I'm going to click here, do a mouse click. Now this will help me debug line by line so you can see how it's working. When I click on that green arrow, it started running the program in debug mode, and it first compiled the application and now it's running it. See, it's waiting for my debug input. I'm going to now press F10. So you can see on this console application here, it printed what I wanted. Now let's run the next one. The next one tells console to actually wait for user's input. So I'm now going to press enter, and it moved to the next line and the program finished. So that's all, friends. That's how you develop a simple C# Hello World application using Microsoft.NET and Visual Studio. Thank you and have a good day.